Lumec's double-headed LED desk lamp offers a modern solution for any workspace or home that requires versatile, adjustable lighting. Featuring dual heads, this lamp provides wide, even light coverage, perfect for multitasking or setting the mood in any environment. The lamp allows users to easily adjust both the color temperature and brightness to suit different tasks or times of day. Equipped with energy-efficient LED technology, it delivers bright illumination while minimizing power consumption. Never miss a moment to look sharp, even when time isn't on your side. The Handyman by Manscaped is engineered for efficiency with a powerful lithium-ion battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of cordless trimming. Running late? A 5-minute quick charge delivers just enough power to freshen up fast. No excuses. Built for movement and mobility, this pocket-sized grooming tool travels light and trims tight. Whether you're prepping for a sudden weekend trip or a last-minute event, the Handyman slips into your DOP kit. Step away from digital fatigue with a spa-inspired solution engineered to restore comfort where it matters most: your eyes. The iSpa is not just a massager, it's a fully immersive therapy system tailored to hydrate, energize, and soothe tired eyes in minutes. With instant cooling and heating, your eyes receive immediate relief from strain and puffiness. Fine mist massage introduces moisture gently, combating dryness while enhancing the soothing experience. Step away from static posters and costly reprints. The ballooning 8-color e-ink canvas reinvents wall art. No glass, no glare, no electricity-hungry screen. Instead, you get full-color, paper-like visuals that shift with your mood, all powered by the advanced Spectra 6 e-ink panel. With a 28.5-inch sharp IGZO display, every image appears crisp and natural, minus the harsh blue light or flicker of traditional displays. Step into a new era of desktop design with the Machinike KT84 retro-style keyboard, built for those who demand performance and visual artistry. Featuring a fully customizable LED matrix, this keyboard lets you program dynamic lighting effects that make every keystroke a visual experience. The integrated TFT HD multimedia screen enhances functionality, offering real-time information like battery life, profiles, and animations in sharp, colorful detail. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. Elevate your outdoor comfort with the Sitbacks bleacher seat, designed to make every event more enjoyable. Whether you're cheering from the bleachers or relaxing at a concert, this seat offers premium cushioning and back support to alleviate pressure during long periods of sitting. The high-density foam padding ensures lasting comfort, while the ergonomic design reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on the action. Weighing only 12.5 pounds, the Sitbacks is incredibly lightweight and easy to transport. In a world where countertop space is precious and adventure calls beyond the walls of your kitchen, the Coffee Jack V2 brings professional-grade espresso to the palm of your hand. Engineered with a proprietary planetary gear system, it generates the high pressure necessary for authentic espresso extraction, without cords, bulk, or compromise. Whether you're brewing in a mountain cabin or your urban apartment, the Coffee Jack V2 delivers cafe-quality espresso consistently, every time. When immersion matters and split-second response determines victory, the GameSir X2S wireless controller rises to the challenge. Built with precision engineering and refined ergonomics, the X2S transforms your smartphone into a pro-grade handheld console. From long RPG sessions to competitive shooters, this controller gives you the edge with tactile feedback, low-latency wireless, and deep customization. The Atari 26000 Plus brings a fresh twist to the classic gaming experience, offering an upgraded version of the original Atari 26000. This modernized console is compatible with both Atari 26000 and 7800 cartridges, expanding the gaming library for fans of retro titles. Featuring HDMI output, it seamlessly connects to modern TVs, providing crisp visuals, while the widescreen mode enhances gameplay on larger screens. Savor every sip with full control at your fingertips. Multiflow introduces a smarter way to hydrate without worrying about burns or messy splashes. Thanks to its intuitive dimmer system, you can fine-tune the flow to match your perfect pace. Whether you crave a bold, hearty gulp or a careful, measured sip, the graduated flow adjustment gives you precision unlike anything before. Simply twist the dial to increase or decrease the flow to your liking. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting your mouth from unexpected scalds and spills. Gaming excellence now fits in the palm of your hand. The Lenovo Legion Go S rewrites the rules with a handheld device that balances raw power and versatility. Whether you're posted up on the couch or deep into a cross-country trip, this compact gaming machine transforms anywhere into a battleground. Fueled by AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or Z1 Extreme platforms, the Legion Go S delivers the kind of performance usually reserved for full-sized rigs. It rips through demanding titles without stutter, heat, or compromise. Built for high-demand users, this compact 8-in-1 charging station delivers relentless power and flawless control. With a massive 260-watt total output, it handles laptops, tablets, phones, wearables, and more, all at once. A PD 140-watt single output means even power-hungry devices like MacBooks charge at full speed without compromise. The charger's sleek interface features a real-time wattage display, keeping you informed with precision. No guessing, no overheating, just efficient performance. Bring refinement to the wild with the Dukin Loft Penthouse. Designed to transform any campsite or backyard into a stylish retreat. This rooftop tent isn't just gear, it's an upgrade. Elevate your outdoor experience with a sleek aluminum shell that opens in seconds. The interior boasts 7 feet of length and nearly 4.3 feet of headroom, offering ample space for 2 adults to stretch, relax, and rest. Breathable mesh windows and dual skylights invite cross breezes and stargazing. The Revolve Tray Box offers a sleek, functional solution for organizing your essential everyday items. Crafted from 100% beechwood, this tray exudes quality, delivering both style and practicality. With dimensions of 7.8 by 5.1, 2 by 3.07 inches, it is spacious enough to hold your daily EDC gear, such as keys, glasses, and wallets, without overwhelming your workspace. The ROG Delta 2 redefines audio immersion, combining cutting-edge technology with exceptional versatility. The headset's dual-flow audio enables users to listen to audio from 2 connected devices simultaneously, enhancing multitasking without missing a beat. For those short on time, a rapid 15-minute charge delivers up to 17 hours of gameplay, making it the perfect companion for long sessions. Beneath the calm glow of modern simplicity, Ms. Home Floaty redefines what a home lifestyle lamp should be. Balancing science, architecture, and pure innovation, this levitating masterpiece is more than decor, it's a statement. Inspired by the principles of tensile strength, Floaty uses magnetic suspension to hover effortlessly in place, casting warm, ambient light that calms and elevates any room it inhabits. Take total control of your yard with the Yarbo Lawn Mower, an autonomous powerhouse crafted for vast acreage and built to thrive across unpredictable terrain. Engineered for those who demand precision and durability, Yarbo covers up to 6.2 acres, slices with a 20-inch wide, dual-disc blade system, and conquers 35-degree slopes with patented all-terrain tracks and a torsion flex mower frame that hugs uneven ground for a perfect finish. This isn't just a mower, it's a four-season tool hub with swappable yard care modules. When adventure calls, your meals shouldn't fall behind. Whether you're trailblazing through rugged backcountry or relaxing on the shoreline, the StoviGo folds out to meet your hunger head-on. This isn't just a grill, it's an innovation in outdoor cooking. Designed to deliver heat from the top down, StoviGo preserves color, texture, and bold flavor in every bite. From sizzling steaks to crispy pizzas, it brings kitchen-quality performance right into the wild. Engineered with a cutting-edge far-infrared burner, this grill reduces gas use while speeding up cook times and keeping food warm. The TP-Link X 1800 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router offers an advanced internet experience, perfect for households and small offices. Leveraging Wi-Fi 6 802.11ax technology, it delivers faster speeds, greater network capacity, and minimizes congestion compared to older models. With next-gen speeds up to 1.8 gigabits per second, 1,200 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band, and 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band, streaming, gaming, and downloading are smooth and uninterrupted. The V-neck Pillow Lounge redefines comfort for modern travelers, offering unparalleled convenience and support. Whether you're navigating busy airports, relaxing by the pool, or enjoying a long flight, this innovative pillow adapts effortlessly to your needs. In seconds, it transforms into a fully functional air lounge, providing a perfect spot for you to relax during breaks in your journey. Designed with portability in mind, the pillow is lightweight yet supportive, ensuring that your neck and head remain well cushioned. Its versatile nature allows you to use it not only for neck support, but also for lounging anywhere you need. When desk clutter drains your focus and cables tangle your routine, there's finally a smarter solution that powers through the chaos. Meet the charging mat that transforms your workspace into a wireless command center. Engineered with a large charging area, this mat utilizes high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging technology to deliver fast, efficient power across multiple devices. Whether you're topping off your phone, earbuds, or smartwatch, its Qi charging capability ensures seamless compatibility with today's most popular wireless devices. Precision meets presence in a headset smaller than your average smartphone. Big Screen Beyond reshapes what's possible in virtual reality with an engineering focus on size, comfort, and clarity. It weighs only 4.5 ounces and practically disappears when worn. Yet, it delivers a truly immersive experience through dual 1.3-inch micro OLED displays, each pumping out 2,560 by 2,560 pixels at 90 Hz. When your game demands precision and clarity under pressure, you need a tool that won't distract, just perform. This GPS golf watch delivers just that. Built into a new round watch profile, its high-resolution display remains clear even in harsh sunlight, providing essential data at a glance without breaking your rhythm. With over 42,000 courses preloaded from around the globe, it automatically knows where you are and what you need. Yardages to the front, back, and center of the green, plus distances to hazards and doglegs. Stay focused with Bluetooth connectivity that syncs seamlessly with the Garmin Golf app. The Saro Z70 is an advanced robotic vacuum designed to elevate cleaning technology with precision and versatility. At just 3.14 inches in height, this ultra-slim device can easily navigate tight spaces, ensuring a deep clean where traditional vacuums struggle. Featuring the Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, it intelligently maps your home, optimizing its cleaning route for maximum efficiency. The Z70 incorporates a dual anti-tangle system to prevent hair and debris from obstructing its performance, allowing for smooth and uninterrupted cleaning. The Unitree Go-To is an advanced robot dog that blends cutting-edge technology with remarkable agility. Designed for both novice and experienced robot enthusiasts, the Go-To offers a wide range of capabilities tailored to various skill levels. The Go-To Air model is ideal for beginners, with basic movements such as walking and running, while the Go-To Pro model is more sophisticated, featuring additional advanced gaits and increased challenge for enthusiasts seeking a deeper experience. A well-balanced kitchen isn't complete without a reliable tool for prepping fresh produce, and the Svebake stainless steel salad spinner answers that call with polished precision. Built with a 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl, this spinner brings both durability and capacity, letting you handle large batches of lettuce, spinach, or fruit without skipping a beat. Its transparent lid reveals the action inside, while the one-press stop button grants immediate control. No overspinning, no hassle. The Air Selfie Air Neo is a compact yet powerful mini drone designed to elevate your aerial photography experience. Built for beginners and experts alike, this drone features an impressive 2K camera capable of capturing stunning, high-quality images and videos. Whether you're looking to shoot unique footage or simply have fun flying, the Air Neo offers an intuitive, user-friendly design, making it an ideal choice for all skill levels. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium, this ring isn't just a fidget toy, it's a precision-engineered mechanical masterpiece for your fingertips. The world's most powerful titanium fidget toy mechanic ring redefines portable stress relief with a rugged edge and industrial appeal. Designed for those who admire stylish minimalism and functional performance, the ring spins, clicks, and transforms, all within a sleek metallic frame that fits comfortably on your hand. Locked and loaded for high-stakes mobile gaming, the Absolute S9 pushes beyond the limits of average controllers. Built for iPhone 15, 16, iPad mini 6, 7, and Android devices, this full-size Bluetooth and Type-C gamepad transforms your handheld experience into console-level command. Dual Hall-effect joysticks offer precise movement control with virtually no drift, while responsive triggers ensure fast-twitch accuracy in every firefight. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. Elevate your outdoor experience with the Air Cruiser, engineered for adventurers who refuse to compromise. This rooftop tent is not just compact and lightweight, it's self-assembling and ready to deploy in seconds, making campsite setup faster and smarter than ever. Designed with cutting-edge materials and aerospace-inspired structure, it offers record-breaking cabin space while weighing significantly less than traditional rooftop tents. At only 90 pounds, it mounts securely on nearly any vehicle, transforming daily drivers into instant base camps.